This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to take a quick look at our recent trade, 2021 Azimut 50 Flybridge. This boat is powered by twin Volvo diesels. Notice large swim platform, submersible, room for a tender. We step aboard. Nice large cockpit for entertaining. Very large sun pad up here on the bow. Let's head up, take a look at the Flybridge. Very large Flybridge for a boat of this size. Hard top, sunroof. Let's take a look inside. So we step into the cabin. Large couch on the starboard side, wrap around. To the port side, another sitting couch, high-low TV. Very beautiful section to store your glasses. Very clean looking galley, fridge, cooktop, sink. To your starboard is the helm station. Two large Raymarine screens, multi-function displays. This boat's also equipped with a joystick for easy docking. Also a window there for the captain. The VIP. Another cabin with bunks. And the full beam master. Nice windows to let natural light in. The head off the master. This was a quick tour of our recent trade. the Azimut 50 Fly. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at our Huntington location. Thank you.